wisest man in history once said, "The only thing I know is that I know nothing." Now, 2,400 years later, modern science is starting to agree. We live in an age of knowledge. Satellites orbit the Earth. Telescopes look to the edge of the universe. Supercomputers map our DNA. It feels like we know almost everything. But here's the paradox. The more we discover, the more we see how little we truly understand. Take our oceans. Earth is a water planet. Over 70% of its surface is ocean. And yet, more than 80% of those oceans remain unmapped, unobserved, unexplored. We've sent astronauts to the moon, but the deepest parts of our own seas hardly touched. Now look upward. We've charted galaxies, black holes, distant stars, and yet physicists will tell you everything we can see, planets, stars, galaxies, that's only about 5% of the universe. The other 95%, dark matter, dark energy. That remains invisible and unknown to this day. We know it must be there because without it, the universe doesn't add up. But what it is, we have no idea. And then there's the greatest mystery of all, closer than oceans, closer than stars. It is inside your own head. Your brain has 86 billion neurons, each with thousands of connections. We can scan it, we can map it, we can describe the chemistry. But the question, why does this create consciousness? We are not even close to answer that. And this isn't a new realization. 2,500 years ago, Socrates said, "The only thing I know is that I know nothing." Modern psychology echoes this in the Dunning-Kruger effect, which says, the less people know, the more certain they often feel. But true expertise, it brings humility. Because the deeper you look, the more complexity you uncover. So where does this leave us? It's like working on a giant puzzle with 10,000 pieces. We've placed maybe 20 pieces together, and already we tell ourselves, we see the full picture. But do we? Every answer we found opens 10 new doors. Electricity gave us light, but also the atom bomb. Genetics gave us medicine, but also the power to rewrite life. Artificial intelligence may cure diseases or create problems we can't control. Knowledge expands the horizon, but with each step forward, the horizon stretches even farther away. So maybe the real mystery isn't that we don't know everything. Maybe the mystery is why we ever thought we could. We want a final answer. A theory of everything. The ultimate truth. But what if there isn't one? What if the universe was never meant to be solved like a math problem? What if the meaning is in the searching itself? So next time someone tells you that science or religion has it all figured out, remember this. We've only skimmed the surface of the oceans, we've only glimpsed a fraction of the cosmos, and we don't even fully understand our own minds. The more we know we don't know. And maybe that's not a failure. Maybe that's the invitation, because if the universe truly wanted to stay hidden, it wouldn't have left us clues at all. This was Cosmic Mirror. If you think this was thought-provoking, please leave a comment, share, or like this video. Thank you.